In this video from CLX105.co.uk we'll be showing you how to replace the key lock. So the key lock comes as a complete unit, and you may need to do this because it's been damaged, perhaps it's been forced, or as it's a track system after time it's simply worn out. It's quite a simple procedure, and this video is designed as a level 2 technical support video and should only be carried out by a competent person experienced in electronic procedures. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the cash drawer. If you don't know how to do this, if you search on the website for videos CL699, this will show you how to remove the cash drawer, and I have actually done some procedures already on this to speed it up. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the silver plate. So a small slotted screwdriver, trim tool, whatever you want, and that will gain access to that. Try and be as careful as possible with this, because if you can place this back on situ after you've replaced the key lock. You'll then find underneath here there's 2 screws. So these screws simply undone, again using a Phillips, and then once you've done that you can now turn the machine over. As I mentioned before, for the purpose of this video I've actually done some procedures already. So to gain access to it I simply removed the screws from around the edges here, 7 in total, again using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once I've done that I can now simply take the covers off. I want to be careful here that I don't dislodge the power cable, which is shown here. Now here we can see we've got access now to the key lock, and because we've undone this screw from the front now, this should now be loose. So once we've got this component loose, we simply remove it from the main board, which is here. Take the whole part out, put the new part back in again, place it into again, and then turn the machine upside down and pop the same screws back into it again. It's as simple as that to do. Once we've done that, again making sure we haven't pulled out the power cable, we can simply place the machine, or the back cases, back onto the machine, ensuring the power switch on the side is clipped in place. Pop the screws back in on the outer cases, as shown here. Turn the machine over and place the label back on top. We do have all these parts in stock, so should you need them, they're available on the next day delivery. Thank you for watching this video from CLX105.co.uk.